want to cry. Look at the color. I am feeling it. Literally, y'all, this is me trying not to cry. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I'm not even having a good day right now. It is what it is. I want to get out of that mood. Y'all know when you get your hair done, you just start feeling like that girl, and that's what I need to feel at this moment. So I'm just going to pivot a little bit and just put my mind elsewhere. All right, so we're here with Hermosa hair. You guys didn't see my last video on Hermosa hair. What is you doing? I'm gonna link it here. Go watch it. So, of course, they sent over the goods. Y'all already know how they do. Here is the beauty. She does got a pop of color, so hopefully it brightens my day. Take the hairnet off, but look at the color. I love the color. This is what it looks like up close. As you guys can see, the hairline is definitely giving natural. The knots are bleached, as you guys can see, and it does come pre-cut and pre-plucked, but it's giving what it's supposed to give right now, as it should.
T is impressed by the construction of the wig. The 8x5 closure gives the perfect illusion of a frontal wig.
Woo! It's looking kind of crazy. We definitely gonna have to go in and tweak it a little bit. So if you were to take it out of the box and to put it on, this is what it would give. This is literally the vibe of it. But the curls are giving what it's supposed to give. I love the length, like I said, not too high. I'm gonna have to trim up some of the hair though, but we're gonna do that later.
T is tinting the lace using Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the level 12.
So I'm trying to decide, should I go ahead and secure it down? Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Go in with my Kiss the Lace adhesive spray. Y'all know the drill. You're just gonna pull this back. You're gonna spray a thin layer, or how many layers you want across your hairline. And then you're gonna blow dry it down and you're gonna pull it down in place, okay?
T is spraying the lace spray in sections and blending it towards her hairline as she goes. She then goes in with her blow dryer to dry it down to a tacky consistency. If your finger doesn't get stuck, it's not tack enough. She pulls the lace down into place and uses her comb to reinforce the lace down into place.
Next, you want to grab your melting band. You can pull your baby hairs out, pin this up out of the way. I ain't got no freaking clip, so we just gonna put a rubber band on it, all right? We're gonna slap this on for about 10 minutes because you want to make sure it's actually down. And we're back. We're gonna take this thing off. Ow, oh. All right, so I'm trying to see how I want to do this. I think I'm just gonna pull a little bit out first, work with a little bit at a time. I don't know, y'all. I don't even know. I don't even know. I'm just about to start cutting. I'm just gonna cut close, very close. Like this. Y'all, we doing this together. I don't know what I'm doing, girl. Yo, every time I'm talking, that gets on my nerves. My camera don't be recording. And I'm just taking some of this RRS wig grip gel, and I'm just taking a little bit and forming some of the baby hairs into formation, okay? I still want to keep this very natural. What I love about this product as well is that it's super lightweight. It's supposed to look as natural as you can get it to look. So now, will I keep this as a middle part? I don't know. I think I want something to give like messy. Dude, I'm sick of middle parts. I'm really sick of middle parts. So I don't want to redefine none of these curls under here. I just want to do the top. Some water, and I'm just going to spray this side down. Taking this gently. It ain't nothing in here. This hair long when it's wet. Alright, so that's that side. Up here, I'm gonna spray some water. This is so those baby hairs that we didn't use can get blended back into the unit. Well, this is how it's looking right now. When I tell you my energy has went from 0 to 100, it has. Now, to give my wig a little bit more shine, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit. And I just like to take it, for one, it smells good, but then I like to give my hair a little bit of shine. If you use conditioner and shampoos that are for color treated hair, it will definitely keep the hair very vibrant. This curly hair probably would need a co-washing just because it's colored hair. Y'all already know how I be. I didn't use a hot comb. I didn't use anything but some water, a little bit of my foam wrap lotion that I didn't have, and now I'm done. So now we just need to pick out an outfit. No, I ain't picking out no outfit. I'm not going nowhere. So we're not doing that. I'm just gonna change into something. They look a little bit more decenter than this t-shirt. Stop clinging. Y'all, I really like this. I really like the swoop over part, the messy look, everything about this mother freaking wig. And when I tell y'all from the beginning of the video to now, I'm feeling 20 times better, okay? 20 times. If you're in a little mood like I was, just do your hair and makeup, put it on, and you're gonna remember who you are, okay? Maybe half up, half down. Yeah, we're gonna do something simple and natural and call it a day for that style. Then we're gonna take our comb and just go like this. Brush it right in front of me, talking about I ain't got no brush. Gonna grab a little rubber band and secure it. And we're just gonna fluff this out. But I think I would have to put some gel up here. Alright guys, so I did add some gel. Now don't add this gel. I'm telling you, do not do it because it get hard and get sticky. But if you guys want, you know, your little waves up to the front to give it a little bit more personality, I definitely do recommend gel, hair gel, any type of gel. Just not that ORS gel. It get hard and crunchy. And I feel like this is a great wig for the girls who don't like their wigs to look like wigs. I really like it to the side more than I like it in the middle part, but to each his own. So yeah, I love this unit. I don't have nothing negative to say. I did not fully detangle the hair, therefore I can't say if it's going to shed. I know all virgin hair units shed in general, so that's what it is. Besides, you know, my rubber band getting stuck in there, but that had nothing to do with the hair. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until my next one, your girl, see you later. Bye guys.